Welcome back to Hawkenstein, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have a Chevy Traverse 3.6 with a bad transmission. Almost halfway through the job. Gotta unbolt the torque converter bolts. And then bell housing, I'll be able to separate that. Engine and transmission out of the car. And over here is the transfer case, drive shaft, exhaust, catalytic converters, other axle, all the parts I've had to take apart so far. And this is where we're at. Not too shabby, pretty big job. But I've done bigger and worse, so it is what it is. We'll get her done. Alright, thanks for watching.